This time with sound. Do you ever wonder why there's no sound when you start up? And then you realize you didn't turn the audio on, the microphone is still way over there, and you're just not ready to go? I was talking. Oh boy. So, do you ever wonder? I got I got to experience watching somebody wonder last week. We took my 2-year-old granddaughter and our children, our family, my mom. We took everybody up to Orlando. We took them to Disney World. I think I mentioned this yesterday. And we spent a week there, but we spent a few days in the theme parks. And the very first thing we did there, we went to Animal Kingdom so that my granddaughter could see the animals. And they had that little thing when you first go in, it's tough to be a bug, which is a 3D thing. And my little 2-year-old granddaughter had the little glasses and they're falling down and we're pushing them back on her tiny little face. And the show starts. And the very first thing is it's in 3D. And I look at her and she has this smile on her face and her little hand is reaching out to touch the 3D thing that's coming toward you as you're sitting in the audience. And I watched that sense of wonder. And so many times throughout the different things we saw, she said, wow, she'd point, she'd get this great big smile. And I watched that sense of wonder. And I know her thinking was expanding, not the way we think as adults, but just in her way of taking it all in. And this can happen. This is possible. Look at this. This is new. This is different. I've never seen this before. And she's not verbalizing that, but that's what's happening inside of her. And when do I get to wonder like that? When do I get that sense of wonderment where I can just look and go, wow, this can happen? This is new. This is different. This changes my sense of reality. When do I get to do that? And I have a lot of questions that I have not one answer. I'm going to ask a bunch of questions as I ramble through this, but not, and as that fly goes right by my face, but I'm not going to answer any of them because I don't know. I'm just wondering about wondering. I'm wondering how I can get back that sense of wonderment. I get a lot of books behind me and I read a lot and I learn a lot and I question a lot, but do I wonder? Do I have that sense of, wow, that 3D thing is coming at me? I've never seen a 3D thing before. Where do I go to experience that? How do I bring those things into my life? And that's something I'm going to look for as I'm choosing the next book to read, as I'm thinking about where I go next, as I'm spending time with my grandchild, my children. What are they wondering about? What sense of wonder can I continue to feed my granddaughter, even give to my adult children, even share with my wife? Because that's a sense of wonder is such a cool place to be, and it's a place that I long to get back to. Now, I don't know if my inquisitiveness on certain topics equates with wonder. I don't feel like it does. I don't have that sense of reaching out for that 3D thing, but I want that. I want that badly. And isn't that a cool place to just be for a little bit? Just be mesmerized by something? I imagine that when astronauts go into outer space for the first time, that's what they feel. But how can we do that here on Earth? Anyway, that's my thought for today. I don't think I gave you a tool you can use. I didn't give you 3 things like I normally try to do. But I'm just wondering about wondering, and I hope you'll join me in wondering about wondering. And maybe, if as I explore this a little bit more, I'll share more with you. I don't know where I'm going with it, but it's top of mind this morning. I wanted to share it. So I hope this helps you in some way. Anyway, have a great, great, great day.